Hello friends, I'm Vicky.
I'm Amanda. Welcome to MEATON Group. Today we are going to introduce you our MEATON factory.
It covers 13,000 square meters and 10,500 square meters in workshops, and totally have 18 production lines and 2 workshops.
Wow, it's much bigger than expected. So how many people work in this plant?
There are 313 employees, after which 215 frontline workers running on 18 production lines in 2 shifts. Okay, let's go for it.
Okay, let's go for it. Our semi-finished products.
Wow, it's a big workshop. So, what's the production capacity?
Good question. We can produce concealed slide 400,000 sets and Dropbox 200,000 sets per month.
Really? That really surprised me. How does a new factory efficiently accomplish this value?
Okay, let's reveal the secret for you. These are our facilities. We own 17 grow bloaters, 83 continuous stamping machines, 350-ton 2 sets, 250-ton 5 sets, 125-ton 2 sets, 8 automatic welding machines, 12 dropped arms, and 47 single-stroke machines to guarantee the work smoothly going. We also have some fully automatic machines, Dropbox slide automatic machines 2 sets, concealed slide automatic machine 2 sets, Dropbox rack automatic machine 2 sets, bead loading automatic machine 2 sets, bead rack automatic machine 2 sets, side water hook machine 2 sets, grinder machine 5 sets, and some other machines.
No wonder our production capacity has increased so much in just a few years. Most products are finished by automatic machine, so no need too many workers.
We also adopt the 5S management to improve effectiveness. Each area is directly divided. More details can be shown on the whiteboard. See the detailed drawings and some requirements. It will help workers to understand which step they are doing. Here comes the last step, assembly. Here are fully automatic machine. Just a few supervisors. Total were 18 production lines, line 1 to line 9 for Dropbox, and line 10 to line 18 for concealed slide.
Wow, so advanced machines. There are not many tasks, because the machine can finish by themselves.
Yes, even we have all the good benefits in our company, it still has recruitment difficulties. So how can we produce so pretty big quantity products?
We have 17 sites fully automatic machines, and automation rate is approximately 14%.
No wonder we have so high productive capacity.
Do you know why we have a high production capacity? At the same time, there are very few customer complaints.
We have a complete quality control management system. We adopt the procedure of first inspection, and after it's qualified, then comes the mass production.
Yeah, the qualified products will be packed directly, and unqualified products will be put in red box. Yellow box products we will rework.
Well, we have further quality control. Let's see our labor center.
We have salt supreme testing machine, slide rule loop testing machine, constant temperature testing machine, hinge fatigue testing machine. We have 2 or 3 workers to supervise this procedure. We will check all machines at the beginning every month. We can't allow any unqualified products to appear in the market. Once we found with a problem, we will destroy it at once.
Yeah, we have obtained the certificate of ISO 9001, FRRA, BSCI. All the products are qualified by SDA's report, and also can meet the international standards such as EN 1533A. BS6222-2 ANSI/BIFMA X5.5 QB/T2454. Now here is our R&D team, and let's see what they are doing now.
They are working on some new functions for conceal slide. So far, we have obtained more than 100 patents, and we have dedicated to research and develop new products and new functions, and the investment in it reached 5% of the yearly value every year.
We are lucky, it's loading containers.
So, my friend, as you see, our MEATON factory are running smoothly. You don't need to be worried of the quality, production, and the delivery time. We will try our best to support you. Please trust us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.